Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Enugu Living, the series where I share my life with you guys, what I do on a daily basis in a week. And for today's episode is going to be work field. So if you're looking to see what a life or a week in the life of a brand manager and business development manager in a media sphere in Nigeria looks like, this is the right video for you to watch. So for starters, today is the second anniversary of Afia Radio, and for context, I'm the brand manager, or I'm the brand and business development manager of Afia Media Group. So Afia is an indigenous media brand right here in Southeast, headquartered in Enugu, that runs a TV channel, radio channel, digital channel, and the production arm as well right here in Enugu. But we undertake a couple of jobs around the country, but our major focus is the Southeast. We are focused in telling the stories of the Southeast, amplifying it, and everything from politics, news, whatever it is, Afia got you. And I'm a brand and business development person. So today, one of our let's say baby brands, the radio arm of the brand, is turning to today is the second anniversary, and I'm going to work for us to celebrate that. Before now, we've done a lot of works behind the scene, such as reaching out to partners, clients, and all that, to partner with us to sponsor the anniversary and all that. And interestingly, a lot of brands reached out, and they are part of it. So today, part of my job is to ensure that every partner gets what we promised them, the obligations, because I'm the business person, so I'm just making sure that if you give us value A, we are giving you value a million plus, because I always believe, let's give more value to our clients, and in order to get them satisfied and get them coming back and all that, if that makes sense. So you see me at work with my colleagues, just going through things. But this week as well, I also have a workshop that I'm planning on behalf of the brand that will take place on Friday and Saturday, alongside our correspondents from all over the states, all over Nigeria, at least Southeast for now. That is where we have most of our correspondents that are coming in for a training, for a clinic. I'm also going to run through that, go book hotels for them. Either I call them or I go to the hotel. The hotel is close to my office. So all of this, like I said, it's just work. So guys, without further ado, come to work with me and let's get started. Okay? Alright, let's go. Alright guys, so like I said, it's all what it is. And did I mention today later in the evening I'll be going to my dad's house, or to my parents' house. Yeah, he has invited us for our annual New Yam Festival celebration. It's not a festival, just a New Yam celebration we do at home. In my family, my dad taught us that we do not eat New Yam just like that. Like, you can't just wake up, buy New Yam and just eat. There's always a celebration. And for those of us that are still around in Nigeria and in Enugu, go celebrate with him. So he fixed it today. For some reason, my sibling will be leaving Nigeria by weekend. So we wanted to leave it for weekend, but they wouldn't be around by then. So let us do it today. I'll take you guys along that as well. So all right, thank you. So from pepper to pepper, we are great. Teamwork.
If I fall,
Oh no, zip it. You're supposed to go far. And now wait for me to come in. So it's 3 p.m. Yeah. And it was exactly 3 p.m. on the 9th day of September 2023 that we launched Afia Radio. And so today marks 2 years we are live. And we started, we also simulcast means radio and TV at the same time. So yeah, thank you later for the explanation. So everything is gearing up. There are guests downstairs, people coming on board. And like I mentioned earlier, we have partners and sponsors who are sponsoring giveaways and a couple of things, from private businesses to corporate businesses. Most of them are downstairs, for interviews, hives, promotion, and all the good. So it's noisy here today because of the activities. So far, so good. Everything is going on well. I just want to have a quick meeting with my MD. Maybe later on, you might come channel. I don't know if you're meeting or what. I want to have a meeting with you for the correspondence coming this weekend. Today is fun. There's still actual work for me to do. I'll see you guys later. I think this is like one of my favorite wines. This is Silk and Spice. So yeah, I got it from my boss.
Them is looking.
Let him look at it. Someone join us. So I want to go and drop it in my car because I don't trust my colleagues. Some people might force me to open it. I want to drink it. Not chilled, you know, red wine, I don't have to chill, but I need to calm down and drink it, okay? No, Friday and Saturday and yeah, I got it. Some person now speak, I've already sent you something. Okay. Yeah. I just want to get like a new voice. So guys, I just left the hotel now. I went to make reservations for our correspondents that will be coming in from across the southeastern states. Some are coming in from Abia, Imo, Ebonyi, just within the southeast. They have a clinic or a training, editorial training by Friday and Saturday. So that's what I came to get rooms for them. They'll be staying in this hotel, and every other thing I'll sort it out in the office. But I just want to make sure that everything is in order. So I'll be heading back to the office now. Got it. Hey guys, I'm going home now. The party is just about starting. What you've seen so far is just the simulcast, guests coming in, sending their goodwill messages and all that. But the party starts at 6. Sadly, I'm not going to be there for it. I'm going home to attend my father's New Year celebration. And yeah, and looking back now, I've almost never been present for office parties, especially those of them that happen outside of the office. This one is going to happen inside the office, but most times I plan when it's time to, okay, let's hit the club. That is when I get home. I think that's I wouldn't want to call it the downside of being a mom, right? So, but that's just about that. But some other parties that happen inside the office, it has me planning, you know, making sure our guests are well attended to and well taken care of. So that's about that. But for today's one, everything seems to be in order. I've done what I need to do, ensure that our clients got value for their contributions and all that. So yeah, so any other thing that happens, I figure I'm confident that every other person I work will take care of it. I've also done budget for other things because, like I said earlier, this weekend is going to be action packed. Events are just happening everywhere from Friday to Saturday. We have events. The one my department is planning and organizing, and the other one that I'm organizing. And in fact, that's my department. So all of these things, that's what I do. So my dears, I'll see you when I see you. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to another day. So a little confession, I started this series or this episode on Tuesday, being yesterday. So today is Wednesday, and for today my itinerary is to go to the bank because I want to make payment for my son's school fees. School resumption is just around the corner, so I need to sort his school fees and then from there head to work. But I'm also thinking to take down my braids today, so I hope to finish early from work, run to the salon. I'm repeating this style, it's very easy and fast to braid. It doesn't take a long time to braid, considering the volume of my hair. I don't know if you've seen my natural hair, but I have really long hair and full hair, so if I'm going to make something else, it's going to take a long while, and I don't have time for that. So that's my plan for today. So for now, let's get to the bar, make the payment, and get going. Okay, and for yesterday, I couldn't film when I got home, got the kids ready, I went to my parents' house. It was a lot, I just couldn't. That's the truth. Because getting them ready, it's a Herculean task. You need to do some exercise, run around, then have them select shoes, because you're bringing the shoes and they are telling you, oh mommy, I want to wear the one, it's my favorite, it's my this, it's my that. So setting camera and doing all of those things would have delayed us because we were running late already. My dad was calling like, where are you guys, I want to see my kids, bring them. If you're not ready, bring them. Like, how is that even possible? If I'm not ready, that means all of us are not ready. I can't bring them without going with them. But that's about that. We had fun, we did the celebration, and the prayers went well. Because part of the New Yam celebration for us at home is the fact that we get to pray as a family because New Yam celebration is like the beginning of a new year in the Igbo calendar. So it's like, okay, this is a new season, or a new season, beginning of a new season rather. So we thank God for the bountiful harvest. Pray that we live to see more, and that the season is good and all that. And it also served as a party. It's a fourth party, or a party for myself and my siblings. Like I told you, my sibling is traveling over the weekend. She's leaving Nigeria, so that would be like the last time, at least for now, that all of us would be together physically. Every other thing would be via technology, that's video call, FaceTime, and all that. So, and the kids, they didn't even realize that because they were there kicking. I'm telling them, your auntie is leaving. You're not gonna see her in a while. They are shining their teeth. I'm sure they don't understand the concept because we don't live with that, so they see on occasions like that. So, but when it will dawn on them is when they're like, can't go to her house, she's not around, and all that. But it's all good. I may see her off to the airport because she's leaving from here to Lagos. From Lagos, she's out of Nigeria. So that's about that. So guys, so we had a good one. And then for my office party, it went well. I saw the status updates of some of my colleagues. They really had for the party until around past 10-11ish. At the time, some of them were still updating their status. So it was a good one for them. And also, I'm also glad I had time to celebrate with my family. So because also my mom recently came back to Nigeria from New Zealand, so it was also like a reunion for us. But although we've seen her because we brought her back from the airport when she came back, and we've also unpacked her bag, 2 things she got from us and all that. So that is that. Take care, and I'll see you at the bank. Daniel said he hasn't gotten the script. Daniel hasn't gotten script for design. Don't worry, let me call Pablo. Okay, he has replied. Copper, say hi. Copper Choma. Rich Copper.
She helped me and beg my help.
To do what? How much do you need?
40 million.
I'll see you guys later.
That is where I will go for. They will be bills.
Maybe it's not a pen. Maybe it's blue pen.
You wanted black.
I like black. Pen is. For what?
Get ready now.
Compare list first. You don't already get jacket. Emily, you not thank me now. That jackets you be following me up and down saying
You
that
never
jacket.
finish. You remind jacket. That go on finish person.
But we can finish it. Oh, go your village. Go eat rice.
What is it right now?
You know what I mean?
I'm saying she already sent for it.
Make the code finish.
You say, won't go to my village, go eat rice. Now camera back. You know, really said it for them. So me. Just your camera. So what you do right now?
No, compile it. We'll review it tomorrow. Guys, I'm on my way home now, but like I said earlier, I am going to the salon to make my hair. Same style, but newer braid. So that tomorrow I can go pick up the materials that I need, and then what else? I'll make. Oh God. Tomorrow I can go pick up the materials that I need, and then make payments and get ready. I just want to say, our driver, his birthday was last Friday, last Saturday rather, and he was like, "Ma, I did not drink beer. Everything was good, but I not drink beer. I should take off for life, but I did not drink beer. Tell him, don't worry, I'm gonna get him beer." And I forgot. I honestly forgot. So I saw him now. I would either send the money for the beer because I'm not sure I would have time to go buy beer to give him. So. Hi guys, today is Thursday, a new day. First of all, can you see my hair? I'm sure I did show you guys last night after I made this because I came home late and what else? What happened? Mostly I came home late. It was already dark. My camera had died by the time I was done, and then filming with my phone, it's just the deadness. That's the thing. But I came up around past 7. Yeah, past 7. That's when I did about. You can see this is the hair. I don't know if you can see. When I get out of the car, I'll show it properly. But that's the hair. Like I said, I'm just making what I had on for same color, same style, everything. I wanted something simple and fast to go that I'll wear for the event. And after then, I'll figure out what to do with my hair. What else you missed from yesterday? That's just the hair thing. I'm off this morning. I'm going to work now. Actually, it's midday. It's past noon, and I'm going to work. That's because I've done like half of my work at home. I've settled a lot of things. If I tell you the amount of work I've done this morning, you don't believe it. I've taken like calls with clients, monitored a proposal, and sent out proposals as well. Sent out like, how many emails have I done? I've done like 3 or 4 emails, one to multi-choice and a couple of other things. So that's the beauty of my work. As long as I have internet connection and have other people doing things on the ground, it makes it very easy for me. So most times I'm not expected to be in the office to make things happen, right? So that's that. But I have a meeting at 2 p.m. with the MD of the firm. So he has called for a meeting. I got a mail last night from his EA. So we'll have a meeting today. And later on by 4 p.m. I will go for Ricky at the event place. Just in case you do not know, Ricky is like a pre-event preparation or plan. You go check out the place, the floor plans, fix things in order, see where things will be, and I'll go with the head of production because they'll be covering it as well. So to see the setup, where to mount cameras and all of that. So and then for the vendors branding items for me, one of them have promised that he's going to deliver by 4 p.m., which makes it a lot easier for me because if not, I would have to drive there or go with the company's driver or have him drive one of my assistants to the place, which is like most likely because I'm not going to go there to pick materials up. But then there is another vendor that is very stubborn. I say he's stubborn because he doesn't like delivering things. He'll be done and then he'll start calling you. When you ask him to deliver, he'll start giving you excuses as to how much fuel he is, as how much he's so busy. His boys are busy, his girls are busy. There's nobody that can bring it out. And he'll not tell you, is it that nobody? By the time you're done listening, just be like, I beg, don't worry, I'll send someone to come pick it up. So I'll call him and find out. He has not even given me heads up as to I'm done with your work or not, but I just hope he's done because I thought he was busy today. So because that's how you do in Nigeria, you have to give like hours notice or days notice, otherwise they'll disappoint you. So if he disappoints me today, I can take it tomorrow morning and pick it up. But imagine he I tell him, oh, we need it tomorrow, and tomorrow he's telling me stories. So that's that. And I'm going to buy takeout today, but my sister might go for that. Typically, I pack food to work. I pack food to work, so I pack food to work. I'm trying to give you a script, but do I really need to defend why I pack food to work? You already know why. I'm not, but I know I pack food to work most days. Other times I eat out, but for today I had breakfast at home because I thought it's past noon now, so I had breakfast. But lunch was getting ready, I couldn't wait anymore because of my meetings and other things I need to sort in the office. But I'm gonna buy food. But when I came from house, because something must follow me from my house to work, I got fruit. I have 2 oranges, 4 bananas. Is it 4 bananas or 4 fingers of bananas? I have them, and then water. So with my supplements, which I will take later. So my dear, I'll have it refill for the meeting and other challenges. Because as an adult, challenges gonna come. But the issue is, how do you manage these challenges? Okay, that is it. I'm trying my best, child. But
Yeah, I told you to do now.
so you saw that out there and you left me to be carrying it.
No, no.
What did you do? I seem no now. Did you talk to this girl about the appearance, the model who's on her hair?
Yeah, she said that.
Trauma. Yeah. Video. I've set you an email. She'll be fine. So, but for makeup, if she needs makeup, we will do a makeup here. And for the styling, she should figure that one out herself. What else? So for these people, tell them that you want feedback, what channel or what platform can we use to respond to them, and then which part of the event is important for us to cover, because we cannot do the entire thing 8 to 9:30. That's 3 days. We cannot. So which one is the most crucial part of it that they should pick out one day? We'll bear the cost of it, but then they should give us the portal of communication so we get back to them. Good afternoon, sir. One is holding inside one face here, then the remaining 2 here. Hey guys, what's a gloomy day? It's Friday and it started raining. Today is the day 1 of the workshop that I'm organizing on behalf of my brand Afia TV. And while the plan was for me to leave the house very early, the weather had other plans, and for some reason I still find it shocking. Everywhere was okay, there was no sign of rain, nothing. And then I got ready, I prayed, I asked God for a favorable weather condition, that everything should go well for us and all that. So after I was done with prayers, I went to shower. Next thing, I had drizzles on the zinc. I had raindrop right on the zinc, and I'll be on the roof. I'm like, what is going on? Do you get? I thought it was just a minor, okay, something I can get through. Do you understand? Lo and behold, it was heavy. People couldn't move. I couldn't even leave the house. Do you understand? So I don't know, a lot of the facilitators, the tutors have already started texting, oh, that the rain is holding them back because we're supposed to start at 9. Do you understand? So I don't know, but I'm trusting that, God has a reason for this, and that everything will work out fine like I anticipated. So that's just my belief. I'm going there now, and once I get there, you get to see my full outfit, and we'll get things rolling. My assistant is already there, which is a good thing. I'll just show you as I get, but I said let me update you. Stores aren't even open because I want to buy something that I need this morning, but I'm not sure I can buy it. Or maybe when I get closer to the venue side, I might see a shop that is open. I'm trying to look. The store that I need to get into is not yet open as well. It was a really heavy rain. But guys, I'll see you later. Of course, I'm wearing my brand t-shirt. You'll see the full fit when I get there. Bye. Hi, today's Saturday, and I'm on my way to the workshop because today is the final day of the workshop. Nothing much is happening. Yesterday was a success, you saw that, and I'm so proud of myself, the team, and everyone that came out for it. Despite the rain, people still turned out, and we had a good session, right? And the most important thing for me is the fact that the beneficiaries, got value for their time. They didn't. It's a free workshop. Can you believe that? So it's of course organized by Afia TV or powered by Afia TV. So I'm heading out now. I wouldn't get anything. Every supply we need is in my trunk. I'll just go there. We'll set up. Every setup is already ongoing because a lot of people already there. My crew, they're there before me. That's for the production guys. So what I have here is just some of the refreshments. What else will be, delivered to the venue and all that. Meanwhile, the correspondent thing going on in the office is going well as well. I've made the arrangement for their meal today. I spoke with the restaurant, so they will deliver the food to them and all that. So for me, all of this thing is just giving me the hint that I'm actually a good event planner, a project manager. Let me just leave it as project manager. Yeah. So what that means is that if you have events or projects you want to manage here outside of Nigeria, that person, I'll make sure that everything goes as planned, right? Except for things that are of natural causes like rain that I cannot hold. The most thing we can do is that we have to take a look at the weather forecast update and all that. See, is it going to rain today? Is it not going to rain tomorrow? For anything beyond natural, I'll be there to handle it to the T. And my boss sent a message last night. He was very proud of everything, and he was like, "Well done." And for me, that's it. That is it. All right, guys. So I'll see you when I'm on the other side. I want to drive out now. And yeah, bye. Do you know about my Enugu story? You do? So how many people will be submitting your entries? Okay.
Former.
Okay. That's impressive. So I hope a lot of you will submit your entries this year. It's starting on Monday, 15th of September. So make sure you're part of it. Hey guys, this is where we wrap up the vlog. I hope you enjoyed living with me for this week, Tuesday to today. As you can see, the event has ended and it went well. The participants were very grateful. The one that held in the office went well as well. The correspondents had a good time learning and everything was sorted. And as a matter of fact, they were like, how do I plan events like this or manage projects like this without breaking out and shouting and screaming and parody graciously. I don't know, I think it's my super strength. But for you, what do you like about this? Do you want me to continue living with you guys? What was your highlight of today's episode? And what do you like most or what don't you like most? Just let me know all about that in the comment section. But at least now you know what my life or what my daily life looks like as a brand manager, as a business development manager, working in a TV brand or in a media brand, because we have radio, we have digital, we have TV. Okay, so some days are like this, some days are slower, some days are faster, but we're in the ember mode, so it's fast paced. But let me know if you see more, if you want to see more episodes of Enugu Living in the comment section. Until next time, thank you for watching to this part. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends and family, and leave your thoughts in the comment section. Until next time. There is need for us to do this, and it's cuts across industry, sometimes even the government, right? Because if everybody already understands the power of soft storytelling or soft power of creativity and all that, I mean, things like this should be, a lot of people should jump into it, because if you don't get these people big, if you don't empower them, you have a lot of people